Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. Whether you're aiming to streamline your workflow, harness the power of AI, or simply curious about this integration, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and discover how you can make the most of Gemini AI within the Google Workspace environment. First, to get started, open your browser and navigate to the Google Workspace URL. Once there, click on the Admin Console link, which will take you to an area where you can manage various settings. Log in using your business email. Having the right credentials is crucial for the next steps. After logging in, look towards the top right of your screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu. Clicking on this will display a list of available applications. Locate and click on the admin icon to access administrative features. Here, you'll need to activate Gemini AI. If you don't see generative AI immediately, make sure to search the options carefully. Once you've found the generative AI section, click on the Gemini app. This will open settings specific to Gemini, granting you access to all its powerful tools. Proceed to the service status section, where you can manage who gets to use Gemini AI within your organization. Ensure the service is operational for all necessary users by turning it on for everyone. Remember to click on Save, as changes won't take effect otherwise. Now, to access Gemini directly, head back to the Google Apps menu and click on it again. This time, select Gemini, which will lead you to the next steps in using the app. After clicking on Gemini, engage with it actively by selecting the option to chat. This will bring up a chat interface where you can start asking questions or request help from the AI. This is where Gemini's capabilities come into play, allowing you to leverage AI to assist with your tasks. Feel free to interact with the AI for any queries or assistance you may need. And there you have it. You've now set up and started using Gemini AI with Google Workspace. I hope this guide was helpful and that these tools will enrich your productivity experience. Thank you for watching.